Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2024 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row.
This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.